Morning everybody, Andy here from Why Not Farms. So we're going to try something different today with our tomatoes. We've never done this before, but we saw it on the old internet web and we're going to give it a shot. And worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, hey, you know what? It doesn't work, why not? So what we're going to do today is we've taken a bucket, any bucket you want, and we've drilled a bunch of holes in the side. And you might say, Andy, you're not too bright. Well, that may be true, but on this one, we are going to want the water to go out of the bucket. We've dug ourselves quite a hole. The bucket is going to go in the hole. And as you see, we have some tomato plants all around. And the idea is you water in the bucket. The water goes out the side with the holes and waters the tomato plants that are all around it, and then you put a cage around the whole thing. So what I would say is think of it like a donut. So the hole is the bucket, the tomato plants are the donut itself, and the cage is the edge of the bucket. We're going to see how this works. Like I said, if it doesn't work, no big deal. We're out a couple tomato plants that we started from seed, so not really that big of a deal. So my bucket's buried. I mounded the soil up all around it, and now what I'll do is I'll take my tomato plants and plant them in a circle right around the bucket. Now, the one thing that may cause an issue is the soil here is a little clayey, and even though I am going to add some soil to the actual tomato plants to make it more rich, I'm not sure with the water if it's going to drain the way I want it to from the bucket. So we'll see. I did add some screening material in the bucket on the inside and the out, just to try to help not clog up those holes as much. But we'll see how it works. Hey everybody, Andy here at Why Not Farms. So we've completed our tomato bucket, hole, donut, whatever you want to call it project. So the basic idea is you dig a hole, you put a 5-gallon bucket in it with holes all around the sides, you fill it with dirt, and then you plant tomato plants all around it, and then you put a cage to support it. And so as you can see, that's what I've done. I have some marigolds planted around the tomatoes as well to try to help. And so hopefully it's as easy as filling the bucket when it's time. And it's very possible I put way too many holes in this and it won't go as slow as we hope, but we'll see. And so you're filling below, and so you're losing less water, and the roots are reaching for the water during the hot of summer. So we're going to fill this baby up, and we'll see how it works.